special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between
I'm not gonna worry about that.
Producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from Barnegat Light Reef to 43 nautical miles south of Barnegat Light Reef, or from Barnegat Light Reef to 17 nautical miles northeast of Deepwater Reef, moving east at 30 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metallogics. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles.
Alright. First alert for July 27th. So, yep. Okay.